राम राम नमस्कार. Myself is Shailendra Kumar Mishra. I am standing here to speak something in English. It is a spoken English class. I had also said you that I am not a teacher. I am a student also. I want to speak in English, but due to want of practice, I could not achieve my goal. So that I thought if I will start a spoken English class through YouTube, then I could meet my goal. Then I started. Then I thought I will speak in English through YouTube. So I am continuing this system. Today it is class number 21, and one of my friend questioned me, why are you repeating the tense chart again and again? This is the perfect present continuous. Why are you repeating? But interrogative sentence, it is a interrogative sentence. Why are you repeating the tense chart again and again? I said that I remember the tense chart, but I could not believe that the students, those who are following me, they may remember or not. For them I am repeating in every class. Then he advised me, don't repeat the tense chart again and again. It will not accepted by the students, so that from today you should not repeat the tense chart. So that today I will not speak the tense chart again. Future indefinite. Today I will not speak about in tense. Today I will say about, suppose I have gone to a market to purchase one pair of dress for me. How can I speak in English? I went to Big Bazaar, and inside Big Bazaar there is a place for only dresses, for female dresses and male dresses also. Then I went to the male department. There I verify many types of pants and shirts also. Then I wear a one pant and one shirt inside the changing room, and in front of mirror I saw that I saw means it is past indefinite. I saw this dress is fit for me, so that I brought that pair of dress and went to the counter where I have to give the money. I went to counter means past indefinite, and there I have a ATM card also, so that I gave the staff my ATM card, and side by side I told him the PIN number also. It is not good, it is not so perfect, or it is not correct to share the PIN number of your ATM card. But I thought, as it is a mall, it will be a big bazaar, a mall, so that there should be no type of mischief they have done. So then he put the rate, and received the money through ATM card. Then I returned. Then I returned back to my home, and in our home, in our family, they also appreciate. The dress has been appreciated by my family. It is passive but perfect present tense. Passive voice. This the dress has been accepted by our family, and they told that it is a very good dress for you, so that you always buy your dresses from Big Bazaar, because there are so many varieties of dresses inside the Big Bazaar. So you should always buy your dress from the Big Bazaar. Then in this way I return from the bazaar and reach my home. This is the way I went to the big bazaar and buy a pair of dress and return back to my home. These are the sentences. Then I may, at the time of speaking, I may speak. At the time of returning, I met with one of my school friend, only to create more sentences. I just told you this story. At the time of returning, I met a old friend of mine, and he is also he is doing a teachership. He is a teacher. I asked him, when will you going to retire? Then he said, after 1 month I will be retired from my service, and this much amount I will receive from the government, and pension also. In this way I met my old friend who was in my school. That means he was my school friend, old friend, but he is my school friend. In this way I met my friend side by side. Return to means present indefinite. Return to my home. This much. This is I said here. We will go to the chapter. The chapter is like this. We have already read about permission and others also. This is class number 21. This is अवस्था सूचक वाक्य. अवस्था सूचक वाक्य माने परिस्थिति, सिचुएशन. से भितर आसीबो आपण आमे व्यवहार कर गो वेंट गन व्यवहार करि परिबा, बिकम करि परिबा, बिकेम करि परिबा, गेट गॉट करि परिबा. टर्न मीन्स प्रेजेंट पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. What I hear in these sentences, so that the sentence is like this. रमेश पागल होई गला. माने रमेश भल थिला. Ramesh was a good person, but now he went mad. So that Ramesh pagal hoi gala means, if you will translate from Odia to English, then we should write like this: Ramesh went mad. Earlier Ramesh was a good person. His brain was very perfect, but now he went mad. So Ramesh went mad. रमेश पागल होईगला माने गला लागला एठी वेंट मैड गो हबनी होईगला माने पास्ट टेंस. रमेश वेंट मैड. लोकटी बूढ़ा होईगला. द मैन वाज वेरी यंग once upon a time he was very young, but now he grew old. Means the man grew old. Grew माने बढ़िबा ग्रो ग्रो माने उन्नति करिबा बा बढ़िबा ऊपर को जीवा तार पास्ट टेंस वाला ग्रीव एटा वाला पास्ट इंडेफिनाइट द मैन ग्रीव ओल्ड लोकटी बुढ़ा हो गला ओल्ड अर्थ बुढ़ा ओल्ड ओल्ड GRUW बुढ़ा हो गला मीन्स द मैन ग्रीव ओल्ड देन राम बाबू MLA हो गले राम बाबू वाज ए public after all he was a public and he was a good person now he is our MLA राम बाबू MLA हो गले राम बाबू became हो गले माने became हेबाटा हला become past tense became an MLA here M is consonant it is not vowel but we are adding an instead of a because it sounds a MLA 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 so that it sounds first a so that we should apply the article instead of an he पिलाटी भयर फिका पड़ीगला द बॉय टर्न्ड पेल विथ फियर पेल माने फिका पड़ी माने मुहटा जो मलिन पड़ जाए से पेल टर्न माने बदलीगला द बॉय माने बालकटी विथ फियर फियर सहित पिलाटी भयर फिका पड़ीगला द बॉय टर्न्ड पेल विथ फियर माने भय कारण भय जोगु पिलाटी पेल पड़गला मुहटी मलिन पड़गला द बॉय टर्न विथ फियर आंबटी पाचिगला माने आंबटीर अवस्था आगुरी भल था कंचा थिला द मैंगो वाज फ्रेश बट नाउ द मैंगो टर्न रेप माने पाचिबा टर्न माने बदलीगला मैंगो माने आंब द मैंगो आंबटी पाचिगला माने पाचिबा अवस्था को आसीगला देन क्षीर खटा हो गला क्षीरटा आगुरी भल थिला द मिल्क वाज इन वेल कंडीशन बट नाउ द मिल्क टर्न वेंट सावर सावर माने खटा तेणु क्षीरटी खटा हो गला द मिल्क टर्न और वेंट सावर से रागरे लाल हो गला लोक रागिगले भी लाल पड़ जाती भारी रागिला पर से रागरे लाल होइला ही वेंट रेड विथ एंगर वेंट माने होइगला ही वेंट रेड ही वेंट माने गला रेड माने नाली विथ माने सहित एंगर माने राग ANGR एंगर माने राग एंग्री एंगिले राग रागिबा एंगल राग से रागरे लाल पड़गला ही वेंट रेड विथ एंगर छेनाटा खराब होइगला खराब माने गंधिया होइगला द चीज वाला छेना CHEAC वेंट मोल्डी DY MOULDY मोल्डी छेनाटी माने खराब होइगला जोटा कि गंध होला से भलिया पिलाटी श्रेणी रे प्रथम होइथिला द बॉय केम फास्ट इन द क्लास पिलाटी केम माने आसिला फास्ट माने प्रथम इन एला रे दी क्लास रे पिलाटी प्रथम अवस्था को आसिला द बॉय केम फास्ट इन द क्लास जंत्रटी गरम हो जाइछि जंत्रटी ला द मेसिन MACHIN मेसिन इज गेटिंग हॉट द मेसिन इज गेटिंग हॉट इट वाज कोल्ड बट नाउ द मेसिन इज गेटिंग हॉट हो जाउछि तुमे दिन को दिन गरीब हो जाउछ तुमे दिन को दिन गरीब हो जाउछ यू आर गेटिंग पुअर डे बाय डे तुमे दिन को दिन गरीब यू आर गेटिंग माने हो जाउछ पुअर माने गरीब डे बाय डे माने दिन को दिन डे बाय डे को दिन होला डे बाय डे तुम टेलीफोन टी अचल हो जाइछि कि इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस तुम टेलीफोन टी अचल हो जाइछि जदि आमे करिबा याकू योर टेलीफोन हैज गन डेड आमे तरफु इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस करिबा सेतले आसीबो हैज योर टेलीफोन गट डेड हाज माने इंट्रोड्यूस सेंटेंस है हाज योर टेलीफोन तुम टेलीफोन टी हो जाइए गन डेड डेड माने डेड बंद हो जाइए मूर्त कहनी डेड है आउट ऑफ ऑर्डर माने तार कनेक्शन आसुनी ठीक कनेक्शन ना ताको डेड बोली डेड फोन बोली कह जाए ताको मूर्त फोन भी कह जाए ओडिया मूर्त फोन कह जाए नहीं किंतु इंग्लिश डेड माने फोन टी डेड हो गला फोन बिकेम डेड द टेलीफोन योर टेलीफोन हाज गन डेड तेणु ये इंट्रोड्यूस सेंटेंस आसला and in this way we have already finished the chapter also. Now we are going to speak something in English. What I will speak? First I will think something, then I will say in English, or I will speak in English, or I will give speech in English. Rama gotiye bhalo pila, Rama is a good boy. This is very easy. In this way we have completed the chapter course. We have completed chapter course means present perfect. Have, we have to use have, and we have finished, or we are completed. Completed means complete, completed means third verb of complete, not second verb. Second verb is completed also, but here third verb is completed. So in this way we have already completed the chapter course also, and today I am not speaking about the tense chart. I have been saying the tense chart. I have been saying means present perfect continuous. I have been saying. So it is not very important to speak the tense chart again and again. So you please remember the tense chart, and by using that tense chart you make one sentence per day, and by the by you will see that you can reach in your goal by doing the habit also, the habit of preparing or making sentences in your mind. It is difficult to speak in English, but it is not difficult to think in English. So it is not difficult to think in English, so that we can think in English easily. Then we will speak something in English. This is the way to speak in English. And now I feel that I have somehow I am feeling easy, or somehow I am feeling comfortable to speak in English. The word move means gati kariba. The train is moving, the bus is moving, the car is moving, gati karuchi. Remove hela kari deba. Remove your shoes. Remove your shoes. Remove the vehicle from this place. Remove the cycle from the parking place of car. रिमूव लगे कि आम मध्य के बहुत वाक्य बेले बेले आम कहबार आसे तेणु रिमूव टाक आप मन रखिए रिमूव द पर्सन अदरवाइज आई विल नॉट go to that place, so that you have to remove that person because he is my enemy. So in front of enemy I could not speak anything in front of him, so that please remove from the meeting. remove होला ताको बाहर कर दियो, टाड़ी दियो. Remove from the class, remove from the meeting. remove the cabin, remove the vehicle, remove the cycle from the spot, remove the cabin in which you are doing your business, so that remove your cabin from here. because government has announced that remove your cabins from your place, because the car festival is coming, so that you have to remove your cabins. It is a statement of government or statement given by government. Such type of sentence we can speak, and at the time of speaking we have to put our mind whether we are speaking correctly or not. Anytime we may wrong, that is not an important thing. By making wrong you may achieve the right. So that as we are speaking wrong, so that I could not speak anything that is not correct. You may be wrong, you may speak any type of wrong English sentences, but try to speak. That may be wrong or right, no one can ask you, but by speaking you can develop your standard, otherwise you can't. So that every day you please form a sentence in your mind and try to deliver it in front of your mother or father or brother or sister also. Any type of person in front of you, you should frame one sentence about him or about her or about yourself. So that this much. Thank you. Namaskar.